Do you want to know that how to run Chat GPT on mobile phone? Well, then you have come to the right video because I am going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any kind of mistakes. So actually there are no official application of from OpenAI. If we go into the Play Store and search for like Chat GPT, then we actually don't find any official application for OpenAI. But here is the good thing, because if you open up Google here on your browser, you will type here OpenAI and you will click on this first link, and then you click on the top where it says try Chat GPT. You will click on this one, and the web application actually open up on your phone. It's same as it is on the web, uh, plus it's also very mobile friendly, as you can see over here. So now you can use this on your mobile. So we would type something like this, top 5 or top 3 rich people on earth. Hit on this one, and this will actually give us the answer. As of 2021, Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and then Bernard Arnault. So as you can see that, that's how you can use this Chat GPT on your mobile phone, because they don't have any official application yet. So we hope that you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any question or uh, comments about the topic that we have covered today, we would love to hear it from you in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have a fantastic day.